Hello families, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while guys. I'm so sorry I've not been active for a while. I'm so sorry guys. Welcome back to my channel. My old subscribers and my new subscribers, you are all welcome. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to relock permanent thread. As in, can you see? This is permanent thread, is not artificial thread. So I'm going to show you guys how to relock the thread using crochet needle and clockwise method, east, west, south and north. So guys, please stay tuned and let's get started for the tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and please give a comment, leave a comment in the comment section below. So guys, let's get started. First thing you need to do, you wash the thread, and please don't use conditioner, you only use shampoo. After that, you begin to section the hair, as you can see what I'm doing. After sectioning it, you apply your wax, your hair wax at the roots, just to wrap the growth hair together to make it blend. Then you use your hand to lock it, as you can see what I'm doing here. After using your hand to lock it, you pick up your crochet pin, then you begin to lock the roots, as you can see, using the method east, west, south and north. You begin to you pass it through the crochet pin for you to achieve a proper look of the roots. As you can see, when you hook it, you pull it out. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Just for you it to be very neat. That is how you keep going. Please let me know in a comment section, guys, what you guys think about the hairstyle. So that is how you keep going with the interlocking using the crochet needle method, guys. Can you see the one I've done so far? The root is looking beautiful. It's not looking rough. It's not looking scatter again. And this is what I've done so far, guys. Can you see how beautiful and neat the thread is? Yep, the dread is just a year plus. Can you see? And it's growing. You need to treat your dread to make it look healthy. So can you see how neat the roots is? And this is the final one I'm doing, guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you love the video, and please, whenever you are doing this relocking method, you have to be very careful, because while passing the crochet pin, your client will actually feel a little pain, so you have to be careful. So after, when you're done with the relocking, you use your crochet pin, and I'm using 0.5 mm just to relock the body and make it slim. Can you see? Just you pass it around and you begin to using locking in and locking out. So after that, you apply your twist and lock method just to make sure the thread is slim. You can use any of your choice, and this particular one I'm using Miracle products. Then you wrap it all over the body of the thread, and you use your hand to lock it very well. So guys, when you are locking, you don't pack it much, just pack little, so that you'll be able to lock it very well. And that's all about this here. You can also apply your mousse if you wish. So guys, you lock it very well. After relocking, after locking it, you go ahead and you style the thread. You can style it anyhow you want it. Styling of thread is just to give it a beautiful look as well. You can style it anyhow. There's nothing like mistake in styling thread. You form any style just to beautify the thread. And guys, and that is all about relocking thread. Can you see how I'm twisting it just to style it? You can decide to style it anyhow, and that is what I'm doing here, guys. Can you see? So guys, I will see you in my next tutorial. As you can see what I'm doing here, just style it anyhow you want it. So then you use your cocoa rubber to secure it, but this particular one I'm using thread just to secure it properly. And that's all. This is the final look of the dread. Can you see? It's looking beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you here, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Please don't forget to share this video to your loved one and leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have any video in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please let me know in a comment section. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you. Can you see the dread is looking beautiful? Bye bye.